Morning all. We're walking up from the Hedgehope Valley today. Walking up to the summit of Hedgehope, second highest in the Cheviot Hills. The forecast is horrendous. 40-mile-an-hour winds forecast at the summit. Rain, sleet, snow, and pretty much everything else. There'll probably not be much in the way of views, but we'll see what it's like when we get there. This is us climbing out of Hedgehope Valley. As you can see, it's still very grey, very gloomy. That's right up to the head of the valley there and into the clouds. Hedgehope will be on our left and Cheviot will be on our right. We are going to head for Cunyan Crags. Still absolutely chopping it down. I'm just turning off the main track. That's Cunyan Crags on the left. We are just turning off to Cunyan Crags. Don't know if you can make it out through the clouds, but I've got Hedgehope to the left of me, Cheviot to the right, and here I am, stuck in the Hedgehope Valley. See what I did there? Just reached Cunyan Crags. There's a little bit of sunshine over there. Straight in front of us is Hedgehope, and there is Cheviot. I'd like to think that this cloud is going to lift, but we shall see. I think that over there, that little clump is Cunyan Crags, and over that way is Cunyan Crags. In the distance. Oh, there's Cheviot and Hedgehope, where we're just about to climb up now. We're just climbing Hedgehope, and it certainly is one steep climb. Quite a way to go yet. It's been really boggy on the approach, so if you're coming this way, I'd definitely advise good boots and gaiters or you will be soaking wet. At least the rain stopped. It's going to be very windy soon though. We're in the shelter of the hill at the moment. I reckon when we hit the top of Hedgehope, it's going to be blowing a gale. There's a view over to the North Sea. Well, I had some energy sweets before I started climbing this hill, but they're not doing any good whatsoever. It's either the fact that they went out of date over a year ago, or I'm just getting old and unfit. But anyway, onwards and upwards. We're nearly there, as they say. Just coming down from Hedgehope. There's another rainbow just on the fence line there. Weather is still horrendous, by the way. I'm just heading up Dunmore Hill. We're then going to head down to Cunyan Crags and take a left turn back towards the Hedgehope Valley. The weather's just too bad to carry on much further. see up here. Just a few grouse shooting butts. I think we'll find a sheltered spot in Cunyan Crags. We'll have lunch there. Still raining. Just heading down to find a nice spot for lunch. Just something to point out, I was using my iPhone and View Ranger to navigate today. It was the cone at the top of Hedgehope, it switched itself off when into some kind of disabled mode. So just a word of warning, don't always rely on technology to find your way. I do have a traditional map and compass in my bag, but I do know which way we're heading today anyway. That rainbow just appeared there behind me. It's Cunyan Crags and a very faint rainbow. Not a bad view for lunchtime. The chicken curry and my daughter's lovely pink flask. Nice and warm. There's Bob cooking his soup and a rainbow behind him. That's us heading down from Cunyan Crags. A nice lunch up there, and of course we left no trace. We're just going to pick up on the track at the bottom of this hill, turn left, back towards the car. Weather doesn't seem too bad at the minute, but looks like there's more rain to come. Right, that's just turned around, heading back for the car. There's Cunyan Crags, where we stopped for lunch. Straight ahead of us, you got Housie Crags, Langley Crags, where we passed on our outward journey. Didn't get a chance to go down to Hedgehope spout. It's not enough light in the day, so we'll do that on a summer's day. Walking past Middleton Crags on the way back to the car. Still looking a bit bleak on Cheviot, that one, and Hedgehope, that one, and there are the crags where we had lunch. Obviously doing some kind of works around here because of the machinery. About an hour and a half left of daylight, so we decided to cut the route a bit short. passing Langley Crags, we were passed on the way out this morning. Still not any brighter Cheviot and Hedghope. There's obviously sun over in that direction. Maybe get a nice sunset if we don't get back to the car too soon. Just heading back down the Hedghope Valley where the car is parked. Pretty horrendous day weather-wise, but still enjoyed it. And it's just going to start closing it again, the wind's picking up. So. Just spotted the car in the distance, at least the wheels are still on it, so there's one bonus. Well, that's us eventually back down to the Hedgehope burn, back to the car thankfully. The last view, if you can call it a view. Not a great deal to see. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch up next time.